Hi, I'm Igor and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you about HTML and we will work together on HTML basic examples. HTML is so easy to learn. You will enjoy it. I will link an online HTML editor for you to practice. But if you want to download an editor to your computer, I will recommend my personal favorite that is easy to use. Don't worry, if these examples use tags you have not learned, you will learn about them in the next chapters. All HTML documents must start with document type declaration. The HTML document itself begins with the HTML opening tag and ends with HTML ending tag. The visible part of the HTML document is between opening tag body and ending tag body. HTML headings are defined with H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, H6 defines the least important heading. HTML paragraphs are defined with a P tag. HTML links are defined with a A tag. The link's destination is specified in the href attribute. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. You will learn more about attributes in the later chapters. HTML images are defined with the img tag. The source file, alternative text, width and the height are provided as attributes. HTML buttons are defined with a button tag. HTML lists are defined with a UL, unordered bullet list, or the OL, ordered numbered list, tag followed by li tags items. With more practice and effort in a short amount of time, you can become one of the best web developers ever. Congratulations! You now know what is HTML tag, heading, paragraph, links, images, buttons, and lists. In my next lesson, I will talk about HTML elements. Thanks for watching my video. Please give a thumbs up, and also if you want more, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Maybe share with your friends so they can become developer too. And remember, the man who is too old to learn was probably always too old to learn. See you soon.